Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed the last 3 lessons. Today we'll continue with Form 16, left low movement, right low movement. Okay. Before we start, need to do some warm up for your leg, lower back. Okay. So follow me. Sink on your right foot, all the way on your right. All the way on the left, sink. Your upper body from your hip up, straight. Repeat. Weight on the left. Weight on your right. Step your left foot out towards the back a little bit. Turn the waist. Turn the left foot. Turn the right foot. When you turn your waist. When you turn your waist, you turn your right foot same time. Okay? Weight on the left. Right foot step to the right, towards the back a little bit. Weight on your left foot. So turn your left toe, turn the waist, turn the left foot at the same time. So now one foot pointing forward, one foot about 30 to 45 degrees. Upper body maintain straight. Alright, let's put the forms together. We finish last lesson on the left kick, number 16. So you bring your left foot in, bring your left hands to the right side, right hand make a hook. That's 1. So left kick, 1. Step your left foot out. Left hands down. Turn the left foot. Turn the left palms facing outside. Turn the waist. Turn the back foot same time. Right hands behind. Shift your weight back. Turn the left foot a little bit. Pull to make it more stable. So from here, turn the left foot about 30 degrees. Weight transfer to the left foot, and right hand's going to come forward. Left hand's going to press down. Okay. Palms facing outside, face north. So option 1 for some people who don't have a very strong core, strong leg, you can little rest here and then up. So these palms facing south, toe pointing down. Avoid too close like this. Elbow and knees same direction. Okay, so repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again. So from left kick, 1, 2, step out, turn the left foot, turn the left hands, turn the waist, turn the right hands back, turn the right foot, shift your weight back, turn the left foot a little bit, and again. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 17, right side. Watch my foot first. Right foot touch on the ball and transfer weight to your right, and then left foot weight on the ball and turn, and then weight on the left. So watch me again. 1, 2. Okay, so did you see? Repeat my foot again for you. Okay, so this is 30 degree and this is after the 16. So right foot down and turn the left foot, so left foot pointing south. See, and then now your left foot able to step out and then turn. Okay? Good. Start again from here. Okay, number 17. Right foot down, left hands make a hook. Okay, that's the end of 17. So I do more upstanding. Okay, traditionally competition form is more lower. Hands comes down, palms facing outside. Okay, but I think many people cannot lower down like this. So it's better just to listen to your body and do at your own pace. Okay, more upstanding. Don't injure it. Number 17, down, right, left hand make a hook. Step out. See, we're more upstanding. More upstanding. Just maintain your upper body straight. Okay, from your hip up straight. Right hands down, Turn the right foot, turn the right palms. Left hands behind, adjust your left foot, turn the waist. Turn the right foot about 30 degrees for better balance. So of course, some of you don't feel strong on the front leg. You can stop here first and stand up. Follow me. Form 16. Turn the left foot 30 degrees, weight on the left. Number 17, place your right foot down, adjust your left foot, right foot back. Turn the right foot 30 degrees for better balance. I hope you enjoy lesson 4. Now let's do all together from commencing form. Check your posture, focus. Preparation. Half step to your left. Commencing form. Parting wild horseman. Remember to adjust your back foot. White crane flaps its wing. Brush the knees. Play the lute. Pose the monkey. Stroking the bird's tail. Top up, press down, curve forward. Stroking the bird's tail on the right side. Push. chest down, curve up, single whip. Waving hands. Another single whip. High horse. Right kick. Punch, tiger's ear. Left kick. Lower movement. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe. I wish you happy, healthy, wealthy, and wise, and have a wonderful long life.